What does craft your life
mean to you?
To me, craft your life means creating and living the life that you want. I feel like a lot of people don't put themselves first. You prioritize friends, family, and everyone except for yourself. And making sure you set aside some me time and do the things that really satisfy your heart and your inner desires really is important, especially in the world that we're living today.
I would say that craft your life, what it means to me is that you can create and mold and shape your life how you want it to be. So maybe changing some things to make things easier for you, or changing some ways about yourself that makes you a better person.
I am the main person who is going to shape my life, and I'm the driver and I'm the maker, which means that I'm going to take it where I want it to go. I'm going to make what I want it to be. It is like I have this big empty canvas and I have some light fake sketches. However, as I go through my life journey, I'll fill in the details. I'll add the colors to complete my whole picture.
I think the slogan that we came up with doesn't necessarily have to revolve around crafting. So you can craft your life how you want it to be.
Every day, I feel the need to create something or be productive. And that doesn't necessarily mean creating a physical product or having something that I can tangibly hold in my hands. It might mean connecting with an old friend that I haven't seen or spoken to a while.
For a crafting perspective, because that is something that I am passionate about and I have interest in, I try to make sure I find time to work on those. It's very easy to get distracted with daily routines that we have, and I need to make sure that I set aside time and make time for those, because they are bringing happiness to me and they are helping me to become who I want it to be and how I want my life to become.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!